guys, today we're going to MacRitchie walk about 10 kilometers long. This is MacRitchie Reserve where? Not me. Okay, me. The cameraman is fast. Wait guys, have you thought about it? The cameraman who runs with cars be like, I think guys. I think that's our goal. Yeah, maybe. Or still at the By the way, the cicada is making the sound, and this tree looks like a tree to stand there. Oh! Would you be surprised to see a wild boar? Well, only a bit. You're actually gonna Ellie, don't. So high. This is super high. I'm taking a risk. I'm gonna touch the bamboo. Go. Oh my gosh. I didn't even know bamboo feel like this. I literally feel like there's 1,000 bamboo. Mama, look at that. It's so cool. Okay guys, we're at like about the middle of the trail and we're about to die because practically because of how steep it is. Yes. But luckily we got sticks. Yes, and luckily we got sticks. Right? And if there weren't any sticks, we would have probably just died. Literally these sticks saved our lives of climbing this journey, like this hiking journey. We just have to use for our company. But we lost them. And so I'll never get it. Yes. No! I got it there, Bentley. Just press on it. On an uneven ground. Like somewhere. Now I get my best friend. Oh my gosh. This guy's gonna punch you. Our safes are rare, okay? Just keep me. Okay. Oh, how many steps? Maybe there's nothing. It's time to rest, guys. This is the resting area. We had a hot tip inside of it. That was cool. Yeah, but let me take my. There's no water cooler. I did drink some water. Oh my God, I think you can Oh my God. Can we like go there? Like my father? No. Like my father, he's literally filming the whole thing. My father is still too snakes before. What? He killed snakes? Okay, he's perfect for this journey. Okay. Papa doesn't even cheer even though he's there. I would be like. Nerfing means weak. Weekend. Oh my God! Milo! Where's the Milo?
Nó ông sao mình đi điện này rồi con dài đó. Ini tu puas hari tu. Dia mau cover tu.
Kuya tayo, road mo.
I'm gonna see where the monkey's gonna come. Guys, it feels like it's shaking right here. But my friend always says it's kind of safe. So I'll trust it for now.
No bee, mind
It's actually kind of scary. Yeah, we're literally at the top of MacRitchie. And we're on top of the tower, I think.
I'm floating in Ohio.
Where I feel like this is shaking so much.
And it's called wait. So you broke a stick.
No, never mind.
No. Here, you can always find it.
Because that's not my stick. Why did I even did that? That's not my stick. My stick is like more entire stairs. Not having any handle.
Imagine the stairs itself had no rails.
I would feel so scared at
Let's go, guys.
Why did this feel like?
Bye. Hey, actually that's wide. Oh, yeah, this is wide. Oh, never mind. The game is ending. Look, yeah, he actually took one. He actually took one. Yeah. Wait.
He actually took a tiny.
他怕是不是把那个水太干了？
Yes, it's underwater.
Omis! Hey, Omis! This was harder than this. Omis!
I just need to add sand to it.
Don't actually don't. Okay guys, that's all for today, and now I don't know how to go home, and because practically my leg is broken, and I don't know how to go home, and yeah, because my foot or leg is broken, and how am I supposed to go home? I don't know.
Let's use a bus.
There's no bus stop like
And you
usually.
promise. There's a bus. And you better promise us
And
McDonald's.
Hey guys, do you know that my friend Amish also has a YouTube channel?
Yeah.
So please subscribe to him.
And also this guy.
Yes.
My channel is so less popular. It only has one
Both
star.
of my friends here has a channel, and his channel's name is
Obviously, move on in capital.
your channel's name is
Jake Denardi.
Okay guys,
Oh,
bye.
bro, my YouTube channel is impossible to find. It's really impossible to find. Okay, it's impossible. But my channel's a bit easy to find. Even Ellie's channel's in Google in the top. Yeah, just search Google. Search Ellie Goring in Google, and the first thing that pops up is Ellie's channel.